See, Goa, 12 unauthorized mining cases detected out of 48, which is 25%. 40 out of 48.
For the whole country, illegal mining cases.
Yeah, whole total country, if you see unauthorized mining cases detected is 48. Out of that, Goa is 12, which is working out to 25%. The smallest state, and this year also the number of leases operating is also very small. In spite of that, they have found 12. And this is not what Goa Foundation is saying. Directorate of Mines is saying. This is what your own system set up by central government is doing. It cannot be challenged because it is done on the basis of satellite data. So it means that mining companies are still not interested in following any regulations in the state. They want to continue as usual, and that is why we are saying better don't renew any of these leases to anybody. You keep the leases with you and you auction the contracts, because then it becomes a very safe. You let the mining company put their profit in the cost of the contract and let them remove the ore and give it to the government. So everything will be clear, and that is the only way to proceed as far as we are concerned.
शुक्राराक गोंयांत सगळ्या राज्यांतल्या खण मंत्र्यांची बसका जाता. त्या वेळार केंद्रीय खण मंत्री नरेंद्र सिंग तोमराक मेळून मेमोरंडम दिवपाचें गोवा फाउंडेशनान थारायलां.
Now we are tomorrow. We have made a complaint, formal complaint to Mr. Tomar, whom we are handing over tomorrow. We are handing over tomorrow this complaint about illegal mining continuing in Goa, and we are also writing a separate letter to him tomorrow for this District Mineral Foundation, where we have said that there are 140 crores and this money is not being utilized, though for 2 years people are suffering, and the government's priority is totally wrong, because government only recognizes mining dependent and does not recognize mining affected. I do not know what is the blind spot of the Goa government, but only they recognize mining dependent. But as where there is no money available, the money is being taken out from the public exchequer. Here, where there is money available, they are doing nothing and they are sitting with it. So we want an explanation why they are doing this. And secondly, we have told Mr. Tomar that the Goa government guidelines for District Mineral Foundation are contradicting the guidelines issued by the Prime Minister's office.
देशभरातल्यो मायनिंग केसींचो डेटा पळयल्यार गोंयच्यो बेकायदेशीर मायनिंगाचे केसींचो आंकडो देशभरात 25% आसा. प्रुडंटा खातीर चीफ रिपोर्टर लौकीक शिलकार आनी सिनियर व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट तुळशीदास च्यारी.